Peace. So today we're gonna deal with chakras. We're gonna be discussing in details the seven chakras, the emotions that are connected to the seven chakras, the glands that are connected to the seven chakras, how to balance them. So first of all, the word chakra comes from the Sanskrit word which means wheel or a disc. So uh, basically, chakras are wheels of energy. So chakras are energy vortex centers in the body which are connected with your emotions, with your emotional state of being. So uh, the word chakra, like I said, the word chakra comes from the Sanskrit word which means wheel or a disc, something that's moving in a circular motion. So these chakras are connected to emotion. Each emotion is connected to a chakra, and each chakra is connected to a gland. So we're gonna be discussing them in details. So the first chakra is your root chakra. The root chakra is connected with the color red. Uh, it's also connected with the element earth. Uh, this chakra, because it's all about grounding. It's all about your sense. It's connected to your sense of security. So basically, this chakra, the development of this chakra depends on let's just say the living circumstances of an individual. So if an individual grew up in a household where they once say secured, they weren't feeling secured, basically this hinders the development of the root chakra. This hinders the development of the root chakra. So the root chakra the root chakra may be underactive, or it may be closed. So later on we going to discuss how to we're going to talk about how you're going to balance out your chakras using candles, uh, sound, and deities. But we're going to talk about that a little bit later on. So, this chakra like I said, this chakra is connected to our sense of security. Basically, if you grew up with both of your parents, was your environment conducive to your growth? All of these factors play a role in the development of your root chakra. So, uh, so if your living circumstances when once conducive to your growth, let's just say you were abused as a child, so that might close your root chakra because it's connected to your sense of security. That might close your root chakra. So the emotions that you felt during that experience, the emotions that you felt when you were going through that experience are stored in your chakra system. So uh, by balancing out your chakras, you are trying to release those emotions, to release those emotions, so that your kundalini can rise to your higher chakras. You're trying to release those emotions from lower chakras. So, uh, let me see. Uh, so, this chakra, this chakra is located at the base of the spine. So this chakra is connected with your sexual organs. It's connected with your sexual organs. At the base of your spine is where your root chakra is. So that's where your kundalini starts. That's where the rising of the kundalini starts. So on a physical level, this chakra is connected with your sexual organs. Your sexual organs, your lower back. So people who have lower back problems might have, uh, let's just say, might need to balance out the root chakra. So people who have lower back problems. So next, the root chakra is also known as your physical body, because like I said, it's connected with your the physical, your let's your physical growth as an individual. It's connected with your physical growth as an individual. This is why they call it the physical body. The next chakra is the sacral chakra. This chakra is connected with is also known as the emotional body. This is where most of your feelings emanate, in your second chakra. So this chakra is connected with the color orange. It's connected with on a physical level. It's connected with your adrenals, your bladder. Let's see. Uh, so this the element is water. The element for the second chakra is water. So this chakra is connected with well, it's also connected with sexual expressions. It's also linked to our sexual expression. So uh people who have let's just say a woman who was abused as a child, and they start, when they grow up, they start being overly, let's just say this, they start being promiscuous. They start being overly sexual, overly over sexually active. So this is linked to the sacral chakra, because if they haven't released the emotions, that energy from that experience, it's stored in the sacral chakra, then they start acting some type of way. They start being promiscuous. So this is connected to your root chakra. This is connected to your root chakra. I mean your sacral chakra. So if it's also linked to emotions, of course, since it's called the emotional body. So um, let me see. Um, so if this chakra is overactive, one may find themselves one may find themselves overindulging in sexual endeavors. So or overindulging in sexual endeavors, if this chakra is overactive, since like I said, because like I said, it's connected to your sexual expressions. So if this chakra is under balance, it's also a problem. So basically, your chakras have to be in a state of balance, in a state of equilibrium, in a state of balance. So we're going to talk about how to balance these chakras. So this chakra is connected to your how you express yourself sexually. So on a physical level, is like I said, it's connected to your adrenals, your kidneys, and your limbic system, etc. So next chakra is the mental body, or the solar plexus, also known as the mental body. Uh, this chakra is connected with the color yellow. Its element is air, is fire. Its element is fire. So this chakra is connected with your personal will. So people, your personal will. People who have a low self-esteem, they have an underdeveloped solar plexus, an underdeveloped solar chakra. So if it's underdeveloped, if it's underdeveloped, you may have been, let's just say, you were somebody may have said something to you, and that somehow impact caused an impact on your how you feel about yourself. So that emotion will be stored in your solar chakra. So people who lack confidence, people who have a low self esteem, have a underdeveloped solar chakra. So this chakra is connected with the color yellow's element is water. It's connected with your on a physical level. It's connected with your. It controls your digestive system. Your digestive system. Let me see what else. Your digestive system, your bladder, your pancreas, your stomach. Uh, it's also known as the stomach chakra. So people who have, you have to do your self evaluation, or study each chakra, study which emotion it is connected to you, and do a self evaluation on which chakra you need to work on. So the fourth chakra is the heart chakra. It's also known as the compassionate body, because it's linked with emotions uh, like forgiveness, forgiveness, compassion. It's linked with forgiveness, compassion, basically forgiveness for yourself and forgiveness for others. Now, your heart chakra is the middle point, or the gateway that separates the lower chakras, and which are known as your personal bodies, which is the physical body, the root chakra, the emotional body, the sacral chakra, and the mental body, which is the solar chakra, the solar plexus. So they are known as your personality bodies. So the upper chakra, which is the throat chakra, and the third eye chakra, and the crown, are known as your spiritual bodies. So the heart chakra is the gateway that separates your lower chakras and your upper chakras. So your heart chakras, your heart chakra is where you forgive yourself, you forgive yourself, most importantly yourself. You forgive your others and yourself, but most importantly yourself. So basically, whatever has happened to you, and whatever emotions that are stored in your lower chakras. Let's just say you didn't grow up with your parents. Your parents wasn't taking care of you. uh, you don't have a good relationship with your father. You're basically uh, people that are close to you, people that are close to you, because those are the people that have an impact in your life. So you have to forgive yourself, and forgive yourself, and forgive others what they have done to you. This is your heart chakra. So in your heart chakra, you are basically forgiving. You are basically letting go of everything that has happened to you. Letting go of the emotional imbalances that you've experienced as a human. So you basically letting it all go in your heart chakra so that you can start tapping into your higher chakras, and start, because your higher chakras are all about spiritual communication. This is why they call your spiritual bodies. So now the heart chakra is connected with emotions such as love, compassion, forgiveness, blah blah blah. So so uh the heart chakra, the color of the heart chakra is green, and it's connected with the element of air. It's connected with the element of air. So let me see. Let's get to the next. Oh, the on a the heart chakra, on a physical level, it governs your respiratory system and your circulatory system, because it's connected with the heart, the actual heart. So the next chakra is the throat chakra, the throat, which is also known as your will body. Your will body. The throat chakra is connected with the color blue. So the throat chakra is basically all about expression, all about self-expression, all about communication, all about communication. So if this chakra is underdeveloped, or a person might have a hard time expressing themselves, or communicating with others. So if this chakra is underdeveloped, this chakra is also about all about creativity. It's all about creativity. It's all about expressing your creativity. So expressing your creativity with your uh, with your throat chakra. So people who are musicians, poets, singers, whatever. So these are people who have powerful, or speakers, or these are politicians. These are people who have powerful throat chakras, who are not afraid to voice out to express themselves, so so the throat chakra is all about communication. It's all about self-expression, expressing yourself, all about creativity. So on a physical level, this chakra is connected with the thyroid gland, the thyroid gland. Uh, it also governs the your speech, your mouth, your tongue, your speech. So next chakra is the third eye chakra, the sixth chakra. which is also known as the seat of the soul level. So basically, what happens is the Kundalini energy rises from the base of the spine, from your root chakra, from the base of the spine. Then it activates. It rises up the all. It hits all the 33 vertebrates. Then it enters the medulla oblongata. Then it hits the pineal gland. Then it activates the melanin in the third ventricle. It activates the third ventricle. So to activate your third eye chakra, your kundalini has to rise and activate the your pineal gland and activate the melanin. So the third eye chakra, the color of the third eye chakra is indigo. The third eye chakra is all about spiritual communication, the dream world. Because at night when you go to sleep, the your pineal gland releases melatonin. During the day, it releases serotonin, but when you go to sleep at night, it releases the melatonin, and the melatonin changes into a substance called DMT, dimethyltryptamine. So this DMT is what allows us to have this to access the dream world, basically. So this is the molecule. This is the molecule that is found in the melanin that is in the third ventricle. So this is what allows us to access the spirit realm, the dream world. So the next chakra is the crown chakra, of course. So the crown chakra is all about channeling cosmic energy when you are illuminated, when you are fully illuminated and your aura is glowing. Your aura is glowing. It's glowing. All the colors of the rainbow are activated, which are your seven chakras. So this is just a basic understanding on chakras. Now you can go to any bookstore online and you can find a book on chakras. There are plenty books on chakras. So basically, what I did was gather information from different books on chakras, then come up with what I feel was right, what I felt, what my spirit told me was the was right. So basically, your chakras. Now let's talk about balancing your chakras. Now there are plenty of ways to balance out your chakras. Now you can also come up with your own ways to balance out your chakras. But some of the basic ways to balance out your chakras are you can use music. You can use music. We know that sound impacts our chakra system. Uh, uh, the sound impacts our chakra system. So you can, like I said, emotions are connected to chakras, and emotions actually can be measured. They are measured in hertz. So they are measured according to fear-based emotion and emotions and love-based emotions. So, but so you can get sound frequencies that resonate with the chakra that you wanna work on and meditate on those sound frequencies. There's 42 42 hertz. I think it's for the root chakra, 42 hertz, and 500 hertz, 500 on 28 hertz for the heart chakra. So, and think 900 something hertz for the pineal. So you basically you can get these what they call binaural beats. Binaural beats. You can download these binaural beats and meditate on them. Meditate on them and focus on that and focus on that chakra that you're trying to work on. Now, another way you can balance out your chakras is by what I do is I use candles. This is a particular meditation that requires visualization. So what I do is I light up a candle that resonates with the chakra that I want to work on. So if I'm working on my solar chakra, I'll get a yellow candle. You can also find research do research on deities, and you can also find deities uh, that are connected with certain chakras. If you're dealing with a particular chakra, so if you, let's just say you're dealing with the solar chakra, you get a yellow candle, a deity that is displayed with the color yellow, let's just say from the Orishyan pantheon, let's just say Oshun. Oshun is the color yellow. So if you're dealing with the solar chakra, you're going to deal with the goddess Oshun, the goddess Oshun. So yeah, basically you light up a candle, you light up a yellow candle, then what you do is you close your eyes, then and look in your pineal gland. Look at your pineal gland. What you'll see is some form, shape of some shape, a shape that looks like a pyramid or a triangle. So what you do is you visualize the candle, the energy of the candle, of the solar chakra. So if your solar chakra is underdeveloped, you visualize the color coming into you, the frequency of the candle healing your solar chakra. And you visualize whatever emotions, let's just say, since your solar chakra has to do with confidence. So if people may have told you that you're not gonna succeed, or you ain't shit, you ain't going nowhere, so all of those emotions, you have to release all of that in your solar chakra. You have to visualize a certain color. Let's just say you visualize those emotions as the color brown. You visualize those emotions leaving you as the color brown. Then you visualize the energy from the candle, the healing energy from the candle, healing your solar chakra, giving you more self-esteem, if that's what you lack, if you're working on your solar chakra. So if you're working on your root chakra, you get a red candle. If you're working on your sacral chakra, an orange candle, your heart chakra, a green candle, and so on. You have to study each chakra and study each chakra, what it's about, the color it's connected to. Basically, I just told you which color each chakra is connected to. So you have to do a self-evaluation, on what is based upon your experiences, based on what has happened to you. So by doing this chakra work, you are basically releasing these emotions. You're releasing those emotions. So if like I was saying about, if you working on your solar chakra, you working on your confidence. So you have to release those emotions that you felt when people told you that you weren't good enough. You're not gonna go anywhere. You ain't shit. All of that. So you have to release all of that. So that's what you're trying to do by working on your chakras, so that you can start dealing with your upper chakras and start dealing with spiritual spirit your spiritual work. You start working on your spirituality. So I'm gonna end this right here. So please subscribe to this channel. See you next time. More videos coming soon. Peace, 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 peace.